Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchapot, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our Punch Portal series for the month of May for this year. My name is Karishma, and I'm going to talk about health for week 3, which is from 19th to 25th of May. The guidance from our Mokshapatta board tells us that if health is well, means all is well. If you want to enjoy your life, you have to balance your negative and positive energies. Anger, resentment, aggression, passion, too much or too less causes a disbalance. If you're a person who wants to do all the work by yourself, then definitely at the end of the day, you're exhausted and feel drained. This affects your health, as then you tend to be aggressive, you become angry, frustrated, or stressed. As we all are aware, these emotions bring a lot of health issues with it. So this week, you need to channelize these emotions in a better way. You can start any kind of physical activity to utilize the increased excess energy in you. Go for a walk if you feel your emotions are disbalanced. Prioritize your work, hire people, and distribute your workload. Taking a break when required so that you can avoid the feeling of being burned out or overworked. Practice meditation to help you deal with intense emotions. Be mindful, as in, be aware of your current thoughts. Accept that you have a negative emotion and it can be changed immediately with your awareness. Don't judge yourself. Seek therapy if required for your underlying issues. Take care. Namaste.
Namaskar. Welcome to yet another week of the Mokshpat reading. My name is Nupur and I bring to you your readings for this week for relationship, a very, very important part of our lives. We are human beings, cannot live alone. तो इस बार की रीडिंग्स जो हमने ली है मोक्षपाल बोर्ड से is on 3 areas: family, family, friends and professional relationships. So for the family relationships, the Mokshpat board is guiding you to try and understand what the samne wala is feeling, to give it a thought to their feelings as well. एंड डेफिनेटली इधर उधर की बातें बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुनना कि कोई बोल दिया उसने तुम्हारे बारे में, वो ऐसा सोचता है, वो ऐसा करता है, नथिंग, उसको तो एकदम कान में जाने ही आप मत देना. मोक्षपाठ बोर्ड ने स्पेसिफिकली इस बार का किया है, गाइडेंस ये है कि फैमिली के साथ में थोड़ा पेशेंस से काम लीजिए, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. गिव देम टाइम. They do, and don't get into the victim mode. Don't get into the victim mode. That's a specific request. And from the reading, do not get into the victim mode. A jadoo ki jhappi might work much more, will work. For friends, you Mokshpat board is guiding कि इस बार नए friends बनने का time है. You may meet someone new who can get a big change in your life. Someone who will be supportive, someone who will be like-minded, someone who will be a good company to you. So be ready to accept that new friend, and with old friends also, it will be a good time where you can sing Yaro Dosti. So it's going to be a good time with your dosts. Have a great time. As far as professional relationships, whether it is your colleagues, whether it is your employees, whether it is your employer or your clients, it is important to listen to them. Be thoughtful. Be understanding. Understand what they are trying to convey to you. Analyze it and then convey whatever you want with clarity. With clarity, with patience, with lots of unconditional love, you will have a super duper week with family, friends, and your professional relationships. Namaste.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste Divine Soul, I am Alpa, your Mokshpata reader and guide, here with you for the week of 19th May to 25th May 2025. Focusing on the theme of spirituality, let us receive the sacred guidance from the Mokshpata board for this week. The board says it's a beautiful time to grow spiritually. This week, focus on activating your heart chakra, which you can do by chanting the Yam Bij mantra. This is a time for selfless giving, whether through money, knowledge, time, or simply by not burdening others. Give from the heart in any form you can and let go of expectations. Give and forget. At the same time, don't forget yourself. Take time to reflect, meditate regularly, eat a sattvic diet, practice silence, and avoid unnecessary talk. These practices will help you to move towards inner peace and spiritual balance. In short, this is a golden opportunity to rise higher spiritually by giving to others and also nurturing yourself. With light and blessings, have a great week ahead.
तो आइए जानते हैं बिजनेस के लिए ये वीक कैसा रहेगा। 19 से 25 मई तक का समय बिजनेस और करियर के लिए एक नई एनर्जी लेकर आ रहा है। आपके अंदर नया जोश, उत्साह और नए आइडियाज रहेंगे। ये वीक काफी एक्टिव होगा। नए काम शुरू करने, नए तरीके से काम को देखने और अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा समय है। आप अपने क्रिएटिव तरीके से नए सॉल्यूशंस भी निकाल सकते हैं। लेकिन एक बात ध्यान में रखें, यह है कि कभी कभी जल्दबाजी में लिए हुए फैसले गलत भी हो सकते हैं, तो हर काम सोच विचार के उठाएं। अगर ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शन या कंफ्यूजन महसूस हो रहा हो तो थोड़ा रुककर अपने थॉट्स को क्लियर करें। अपने ऑफिस या काम की जगह वाइब पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए एक छोटी सी पूजा करें, दिया रोज जलाएं या बस 5 मिनट शांति पाठ करके डीप ब्रीदिंग करें। ये आपको फोकस बनाए रखने में मदद करेगा और नए मौके आपकी तरफ आसानी से आएंगे। तो इस हफ्ते अपनी एनर्जी को बेहतर डायरेक्शन दें, नए आइडियाज पे काम करें और पेशेंस के साथ अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाएं।
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 19th May to 25th May 2025 in relation to finance. The board guides us towards a positive box of Dharma, indicating the need to function with Dharma as the guiding principle. So in this time, we need to make informed investment decisions for future security. We need to manage debt effectively to reduce financial stress and make a budget for financial stability. We also need to build an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. In any unethical or dishonest dealing or selfish actions are done, it can lead to financial losses. In this time, you cannot neglect responsibilities and neither can you shy away from ethical conduct in financial dealings. Follow the path of Dharma and rectify any unethical action promptly. Align financial decisions with factors promoting prosperity and take positive actions to enhance financial growth. The board guides us to connect with our financial goals and align actions accordingly, and also to address the root cause of any financial challenges that we are facing. To sum it up, we need to infuse bliss into our financial decisions. leading towards prosperity, and focus on the present moment for more informed financial planning. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.